If you want to create and monetize viral 2D animation videos like this using completely free AI tools, then you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step system I personally use to create these kinds of videos from scratch without spending a single dollar. No paid software, no advanced animation skills, nothing complicated. And the best part is this. Once you understand this process, you can literally turn simple ideas into content that has the potential to pull in thousands, even millions of views. In this video, I'll show you how to generate viral video ideas, how to keep your characters consistent across scenes, how to animate them using AI, and how to turn everything into a clean, monetizable final video. There are channels right now like Lost Legacy posting simple 2D animated story videos and quietly pulling insane numbers. This channel has been consistently getting thousands of views with very simple animations. Nothing overly complex, nothing crazy. Some of their videos have crossed over 4 million, 3 million, and 1 million views, and they've only been doing this for about a year. When you scroll through the channel, you'll notice something interesting. Every single video follows a similar format. Simple storytelling, clean 2D visuals, consistency. That's it. And yet, the results are massive. With over 220,000 subscribers and just around 33 videos uploaded, this channel is estimated to be making at least $3,000 every single month. Now imagine this. Over 22 million total views across their content. That could easily translate to over $120,000 generated in a year, all from simple 2D animations. That's the opportunity you're about to tap into. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. And real quick, if you enjoy content like this and want more tutorials on how to make money with AI, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now let's begin. For this tutorial, we're going to use ChatGPT free, and this is where everything starts. This is where we generate our ideas, structure our scenes, and even get our full video script. Now, to make things easier for you, I've already prepared a powerful prompt that does all the heavy lifting. This prompt is what allows ChatGPT to generate viral video ideas, scene-by-scene breakdowns, image prompts, animation prompts, full voiceover scripts. And instead of you trying to write everything manually, you'll just plug it in once and let the AI do the work. I've added this full prompt inside a document, along with all the tools we're using in this video. You'll find the link in the description, so make sure you grab it because it's going to save you a lot of time. Now here's what you want to do. Head over to ChatGPT, paste in the prompt from the document, and hit send. Give it a few seconds, and it will generate a list of 10 different viral video ideas you can choose from. You'll start seeing ideas like, what really happens when you drink water right after waking up? What changes when you stop using your phone 30 minutes before bed? What happens when you take a 10-minute walk after every meal? Or, what does stretching first thing in the morning actually do for you? And several other high engagement concepts. Now for this video, I'm going to pick one of them. Let's go with, what happens when you take a 10-minute walk after every meal? Once you've selected your idea, just type the number or the title back into ChatGPT and send it. Now watch this. ChatGPT will take that idea and generate everything you need. It will break down the scenes, give you detailed image prompts, provide animation instructions, and even generate a complete voiceover script. Everything in one place. Now that we have our prompts ready, it's time to bring our visuals to life. We're going to use Google Flow. This is where we create all our 2D cartoon-style images. Select Nano Banana 2 as the image model, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, and select your number of output. So what you want to do is go back to ChatGPT and copy the main character prompt, head back to Google Flow, and generate the image. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image generation prompt. Then, head over to Google Flow, click on the image of the main character, paste the prompt, and generate your image. Within a few seconds, you'll get a clean, high-quality 2D illustration. And this is where things get interesting. Because all the prompts were generated together, the style remains consistent across every image. That's how you avoid that messy, mismatched look most beginners struggle with. Now repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and generate again. Do this for all the prompts. By the time you're done, you should have around 6 images aside from the main character image, all matching in style, all telling a connected story. Once everything looks good, you can download all the images. We're about to bring them to life. Now this is where everything starts to feel real. We're going to take those static images and turn them into animated scenes using Google Flow. Upload all your generated images into Google Flow and let them process. Once that's done, start with the first image. Place it into the starting frame. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 16:9 so it fits perfectly for YouTube. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first animation prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and generate. Give it a few seconds. And just like that, your image transforms into a smooth animated clip. No glitches, no distortion, just clean animation. Now repeat the exact same process for the remaining images. Each time, drag in the image, copy the animation prompt, paste, and generate. By the end, you'll have 6 animated clips that flow together perfectly. Download all of them because we'll need them for editing. Now let's give your video a voice. Head back to ChatGPT and locate the full voiceover script it generated earlier. If it's in parts, just ask ChatGPT to combine everything into one clean script. Once that's done, copy it. Now, we're going to use ElevenLabs, which is one of the best AI voice generators right now. Go to ElevenLabs, paste your script, and choose a voice that fits your content style. There are multiple high-quality voices available, so take a moment to test a few and pick the one that sounds the most natural. Once you're satisfied, generate the voiceover. After a few seconds, your audio will be ready. Download it, and now you have a professional-sounding narration for your video. Now for the final step, bringing everything together. We're going to use CapCut for this. Open CapCut and import all your animated clips. Arrange them in order on the timeline. Scale it up to cover the VEO watermark. Next, drag your voiceover into the timeline and align it with your clips. This part is important. Adjust the timing of each clip so it matches what's being said in the voiceover. This is what makes your video feel smooth and engaging. After that, add a background sound. Make sure it's not copyrighted. Do not use CapCut music because they are copyrighted. Keep it subtle so it doesn't overpower the voice. Play everything back, make small adjustments if needed, and once everything feels right, export your video. And just like that, you've created a fully AI-generated 2D animation video that's ready to be uploaded and monetized. Let's take a look.
Ever notice how heavy and slow you feel right after eating? What if one small habit could change that completely? Instead of sitting down, you step outside for just 10 minutes. A simple walk helps your body stay active instead of sluggish. You come back feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized. Do it after every meal, and your whole day starts to feel different.
And remember, everything I used in this video, including all the prompts and tools, is inside the document linked in the description. Use it, follow the process, and start posting consistently.